How to increase the credit limit on the FNB app. Hello everybody, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you guys a step-by-step method on how you can easily increase the credit limit on the FNB app. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any new videos. Alright, let's begin. So here is the first thing that you have to do, that is launch your app. And after you have launched your app, what you want to do is just click on login and enter all of your login details in order to log into your account. And once you do that, you will have to go ahead and click on the chevron icon next to your credit card account. And once you click on that, it will take you to the next page where it will look something like this. And here you will have to select the increase credit limit option. Right here it's highlighted, and once you click on it, you will be displayed all of these terms and conditions, so that you'll have to confirm it. And once you click on continue right here, you'll have to tap on agree and accept the first round relationship agreement. And once you have done that, you will have to make sure all of your personal details are up to date and correct. And once you make sure all of your details are correct, you can just tap on continue and you can continue with the rest of your app. Your credit limit will be automatically increased. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you found it helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. I will catch you on the next one. Thank you for watching.